They're the PROHEAR EM037 Bluetooth safety earmuffs. So these things connect to your phone or any other Bluetooth device via Bluetooth. You have controls right here that are actually very simple to figure out when you have it on your head. So if I click right here on this top, you're going to hear it start to play music, okay? These are volume buttons, so up and down. I'm going to repause them. And this button here is the on and off button. When I first got them, I charged them up using the USB-C charger right here. Oh, I'm sorry, right here. Okay. It does come with a USB-C cable, but I have a million of them, so I use another one. You can also plug these directly into a mini audio jack as well, if you were so inclined to do that. That's so 10 years ago. But yeah, there's a little audio jack right there, okay, if you need to. Now, when you put these on, you kind of disappear from the world. You don't hear much. They do come with a bag, which is I really like just because you can keep everything together, and you can also keep these clean because you put them on your head, so you don't want to like keep them in your garage. So I think that's about it for the actual features of it. Now, as a Bluetooth headset, does it work? Yes, no issue. I actually put these on. I played music on my iPhone. I put my iPhone down here on my counter inside my kitchen, and I walked outside. Okay. I walked all the way to the end of my yard, and I'll show you where that is right now. I have a pretty large backyard. Okay. I went all the way back there into the woods and around, we're behind, actually further than the gate that's out there. I'm not even sure that's coming up, but it's behind that American flag. I would say about 100 or 150 feet, almost 200 feet away. No issue, okay? I got around into the woods a little bit further and I started to hear it break out a little bit. Now, what this tells me is I'll be able to go around my entire house, weed whack, do whatever I need. And anyone with a reasonable size house, of course, you live on a farm, it may be a little bit different. You may have to bring the phone with you. You'll be able to keep your phone in your garage nice and clean and just walk around with these and listen to music. So I really welcome that and I really like it. So I'll show you right now. I can just turn these off by clicking that button and they turn off. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to long hold it and they turn off. Okay. So they work very nice. They have, they say PROHEAR there on the top. They have a nice padding up here. They're extremely comfortable. That's the way they look on. I think these guys did a good thing. I actually have another set of these that I use at the range. PROHEAR. What else can I say? Check them out.